Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new Devonte car freshener. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look. Been super excited for this one. I take this car every day to the gym, so just over time it can accumulate some smells, so you can take it detail cleaned as many times as you can. If you're going every day, then this should definitely help. Oh wow, look at the packaging on that. Really nice packaging, stamp, paper's really clean. This would make a great gift just by looking at it. Very nice. It's wrapped all the way through. Awesome packaging for sure. I'm very big on packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up. That even the box is nice. Check this out. Oh, it smells really good. As soon as you open it, you can smell it. That is nice. I did get the sage and sea salt fragrance, so let's go ahead and check it out of here so you can take a look. This is good for 180 days. Oh, this is cool, so you can hang it wherever you want. So we'll go ahead and open this up. All right, so once you have it opened up, all you want to do is just push this through, and we'll run this part through, and then you are good to go. So if you want to hang it here, I'll probably hang it somewhere down here, but this is really nice. And what's cool is after the time is up of the 180 days, you can then spray it with any of your fragrances, Febreze, a cologne, perfume, whatever you want, and then it'll stay on here. So I thought that was really cool. So I do know that normally like car fragrances like this don't last as long as this one, so I was super excited to get this. So we'll go ahead and hang it here for now. But if you're looking for a new car fragrance, definitely look into this one. Like I said, they got different scents. You don't actually just have to use them on vehicles. You can actually use them like on, like in small, like if you have like a small office, like a small space, something like that. You definitely want to throw this in there, maybe even like a closet or something like that. Definitely would make a big difference. Like I said, it smells really good. Super excited how my car is going to be smelling the next 180 days. So if you're looking for a new car fragrance, definitely look into one of these. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.